Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IRNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, it makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very, very nice movement. When you consider where the price was during its early portions of the day and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, this can all be answered with a single line and single area, and that level is down here at, let's see, what is that? 0.012. Why is 0.012 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 0.012. If the price were to go down there and then the price just break below it and continue to sink downwards, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? From a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was before the breakout occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not any sort of sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price were to come down here to 0.012, however, in this situation, behave like this and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have some lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that quote-unquote progress point, we'll call it, right there at 0.012. So definitely a very important level going forward. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, main level going to be right there at 0.015. If the price can get up through 0.015, then keep an eye right about 0.0158. But I think the main price congestion area is at 0.015, meaning if there can be a good, solid, high-volume break of that, then I think it would only be a matter of time before the price gets probably up above 0.016. So like I said, there's just more data points around 0.015. So in my mind, I think that's more so the quote-unquote truer level of resistance. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume, not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.